Welcome to CMX Market Step by Step. Today we are going to talk about the opening accounts. You have already passed the registration and verification process. The next step will be opening a trading account. For this, in the Traders menu, you click on the accounts and choose Demo or Live. We will take the demo account as an example. Firstly, you select Account tab. Secondly, you choose the leverage. If you're a beginner in this area, you should know that the leverage tool opening opportunities to your trading account operate a larger volume and trade currency pair through an initially small balance. The leverage level, usually expressed as a ratio, means the trader should have at least a particular percentage of the total available volume. For example, leverage 1 to 100 requires 1% of volume. Then you select currency, in our case USD is by default. And the final step, you choose your initial balance. The second step is confirmation. If you want to change something, then click on the back button. If everything is okay, click continue. By the way, in the accounts overview, you can see the information about the accounts that are already opened. After that, you will receive an email that your MetaTrader 4 account has been created. You follow the link in the email and download an MT4 terminal. After testing, you can switch to trade on a real account at any time. So, see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumb up and click subscribe to us.